Welcome to a new video from Log to Email. Today, we're going to teach you how to import emails into Log to Email. The first thing you'll do is go to Emails and select Create New. From Create New, the first thing you'll choose is the provider. And the provider we have right now is Microsoft, which is the one we're going to use. And here, instead of single entry, you'll choose Bulk Import CSV. Click on it. After you select it, it'll ask you to upload the CSV file. But first, I want you to download the simple CSV file. Download this file so you can take a look at it, because this is the way we want you to upload your emails. This is what the file looks like. The file contains the email, the password, the 2FA, the proxy like, and has proxy. Let me explain them to you one by one, quickly. Here, of course, we put the email, and here we put the email's password, and here we put the two-factor authentication. The code goes here, and here we put the proxy. And if you added a proxy, make sure it's set to true. Everything should be true instead of false. If you're not going to use a proxy, set this to false instead of true. The first thing I'll add is the emails, then the passwords for the emails. After that, I'll add the two-factor authenticator. And the last thing here, I'll put the proxy, and I'll set all of these to true since I'm going to use a proxy. We'll get the proxy from Fox Proxy, our own website. I'll choose United, and I need 100 proxies. Sticky. After I generate, I'll take the proxy. I'll put it here. So now I've added the email, the password, the 2FA, and the proxy, and set has proxy the true. Now download this file. Make it a CSV, then I'll go back to look to email, upload the file, and click create. As you can see, it uploaded all the emails. This FA secret code, this is the Authenticator code. You can take it anytime and use it directly. Of course, you don't need it now since we already have it, but we're just giving it to you as an option. Important. These are the 100 emails that I uploaded. Now I'll connect them. I'll select all. Then I'll click Start. Consent. We'll wait until they're connected so we can use them. The process might take a few minutes to finish. That's normal. Don't worry about anything. When an account is labeled as unverified, it essentially means that the account has been restricted or blocked from further use. Once an account is in this blocked state, it signifies that the profile needs to be carefully reviewed and refined manually by a support team member to ensure everything is correct. Here's one that just got connected. And this, the accounts that are connected like this aren't blocked. But here, we have to use this account manually. Here it is. It's asking for 2FA. Copy. This is a bug in Microsoft. It asks for the code more than once. Accept. All right, now it's succeeded. And this one will be connected. As soon as I start it, it'll be connected right away. All right, now it's connected. And there are other things that connect too. Don't worry at all if you find a lot of your accounts unverified. You can contact us directly through Log to Email live chat. They'll help you handle those accounts manually, so you won't have to deal with them yourself. Just reach out to the live chat. Tell them you have a problem. The accounts are unverified. Give them your email address and they'll take care of it. After the emails are connected, any message you get will come straight to the inbox here. God willing, in the next video, we'll talk more about the inbox and every feature of Log to Email. See you in the next video.